What's up, epic tabletop wargamers? Take a look at my workbench. Okay, not that. Hey, can we blur that? Yeah, that's top secret October/Warlord Titan stuff. Look at this 3D printer printing something. I'm sure I'll cut in some montage of me building this, but I was sent this printer, hashtag not an ad. This was sent for an honest review, and here I am not only reviewing it, but actually using it. I know what you're thinking. Wait, what am I printing? And how much help did I get from Narb? I got some. Okay, maybe I got a lot, but that's just because I don't know anything, and he knows everything. So I secretly taught myself to use Blender. You can watch this time lapse that I'm probably putting here somewhere on the screen. I made this Tyranid looking thing because I love Tyranids and actually have always been interested in making custom creatures. Trivia time! Did you know my work was featured on the Games Workshop website in 2001? Leave a comment if you attended Games Day Canada 2001. Let's get on the Wayback Machine and check it out. Yeah, this little guy here was made with stuff I found on the beach. Games Workshop would never sanction that type of creativity these days, but back then, boy, I felt cool. Anyway, fast forward to now, I got the idea that maybe I should make a new Tyranid. I mean, it's Xenovember and everything, but what's the deal with the printer? So I was sent it to review, and it's great, but why not just feature it in a regular video? Well, I told them I would showcase it in October. Of course, I meant Orktober, and maybe neglected to mention that Orktober has more than 30 days. It's possible they were expecting it sooner, but hey, what are you gonna do? Oh, you're gonna 3D print? Well, not without the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo 3D printer. You aren't. This bad boy boasts all sorts of features that I really have no grounds for comparison on since it's my first and only printer. It sure is easy to assemble and use though. Let me tell you what, if you want to stick it to Games Workshop but you don't have a giant dumpster of garbage in your basement like me, you can print your own garbage and use that to make your own models. Why did I print this seemingly low quality model? It's part of the actual video, you'll see, trust me. Along with this October thing and maybe that Warlord torso, hey, it's all coming soon. And I'm saying soon in the way that video game developers say it, so see you sometime in the future.